Alright, give it to her now. It's good. Now give it to your sister. She's waiting.
His face. Yeah.
Alright, give it to your sister now. Don't sneeze on it. No, give it to your sister.
The face. The face.
It's good. It's already warm enough.
There you go.
Give it to your sister.
Huh?
Give it to Sissy now. There you go. Give it to Kendo. There you go. Says, thanks, brother. Thanks, brother.